Pitts bike throttle body for Aerox 155 and NMAX V2. So meron tayong 34, 32 and 30 mm. So ito yung pang 30 mm. Ito po yung 30 mm throttle body. Yan, Pitts bike brand. Check natin yung 32. Pitts bike 32 mm. So sukat niya 32. Yan, may 32. Ito naman tayo sa 34. Yan, 34 mm throttle body. Yan, tsura.